Hello guys, good evening, good morning, good afternoon. In this video we are programming on Python and we are creating one program. Hence we are starting our channel again with amazing programs with a Python, C++ and HTML. In HTML we will make an web pages and websites. Okay, so in this video I am creating one program that is for asking for introduction. Okay, so you can go with the title that here is all about introduction. First we will print something new and then we will ask some question about name, his father's name or mother's name or etc. about introductory part, and then we will print that things. Means you can access by your code. So let us try to code it. Okay. Okay, wait a minute. So let us print. In the print, we have to take a hello and then I am Siddhant Asati. No, I'm not Siddhant Asati. I'm now computer. I'm computer. Okay. And then we will print X in asking introduction. Till here we have completed two lines. And now take one variable that is a equals to for asking input inside the parentheses and equals to and what we have to take name. So please enter enter name your name sorry. Okay, and here we have to take this and for name and again, wait a second. By pressing Alt button, we can use multiple cursors. Example, first we have entered some lines, and now for by clicking on Alt button and tap to hold it, and then like this by mouse, you have to select 5 4 lines. मतलब जितनी भी आपको चाहिए हो. Okay, so now I want this much. A1 equals to input till here. A1 हो गया है, and here I have to take A2, here A3, here A4, here A5. If I want more, I can take more. Means you know that. And now A1 equals to input enter father's name and enter father's name. What the spelling, man? Yeah. And here we have to take enter mother's name. Oh, sorry. Here we have to take what we have to take your age. Okay, your age. Yeah, for date of birth. So DOB. But there is one option. So we have to take int because DOB is an integer. We have not like to take text. That's why. So take it in int, then dob. Okay, then we have to take address. Okay, enter address. Absolutely. And take our last mobile number. Okay, if not, then we will take one attribute. Wait for it. Wait, I have to take some more lines because I had to add something new. Your profession, one thing is very important. There should be an a5. Okay, okay, and then a6, and it should be a7. Okay, and here we have to take input your profession. Profession means what you are doing now, means your job or anything. Yeah, and your profession. Then, oh sorry, and you have to take one exciting thing that is your your hobby. Yeah, I think this is only the spelling. Yeah, and here we have to take this. Oh sorry. Yeah, okay. Now these are some asking questions or attribute for the ask. Okay, now we have taken some spaces and I'm leaving one connect comment. Sorry, that printing introduction or answers. Yeah, here's the comment completed and now we have to take print, and this print we have to copy it. Sorry, we have to copy it and take it all over till 8 digits. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5. I think it's completed. Okay, and now we have to print these only. So example, just we have to write name, then oh sorry, we have to take this name and then equals the dash and just take comma after these comma that pronouncing commas, take one space and write a, because the input in which the attribute we have inputted his name or her name is on a, sorry, is in a. Okay, so here we have to take this and hence completed and take in all, wait, alt, yeah, and यहाँ पे लिखना है father's name and after it a1, yeah, and here and sorry, and here a2, and here what we have taken dob, so dob and dash, wait, I have to leave one comment here also that taking only numbers, and here we have to take this and dob equals to numbers only, yeah, then dob equals to a3 I think of, yeah, and here what is there, address profession, sorry, professional one, yeah, profession address, profession profession e4, okay, e5, okay, and now where it is your hobby, okay, so take it hobby equals to sorry dash a6 and at last mobile number, exactly, here also we have to put int because mobile number is an integer, okay, leaving one connect comment integer, yeah, absolutely, and at the last mobile number and dash a7, absolutely, leaving one connected last and that is hence completed. You have to skip, if you want to skip comments you can skip also, and for that explanation I have put comments in all the places, means in important places. Now let us run this program. Yeah, enter name, that is Siddhant Asati, as you all know. Again it will ask for the name, yeah, see here we have completed this, hello I am computer, asking for introduction, what is this asking, I think there is a typing mistake on coding, yeah, asking, okay, okay, don't mind it. Now my father name is Mr. Bhupendra Sati, absolutely, Mrs. Manisha Sati, yeah, absolutely, and DOB numbers only, yeah, we have to put only numbers, no spaces, no dot, no slash, no nothing, anything, you not have to fill anything, just one number, so we have to fill number only 250007, yeah, this is my DOB, yeah, now it is working. Enter your address, my address I will not show you, let my address is xyz, okay, your profession, your hobby, your code, mobile number, I'm not having my mobile number, if I have I will not show it, so there should be, oh sorry, it will become trace back, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, yeah, this is my mobile number, don't call it, it is just example or a fake number. It's completed. See, hello, I'm computer asking for introduction. Here we have filled some information about us and till here. Then he printed the our introduction. That is name Siddhanta Sati. Father's name Mr. Bhupendra Sati. Mother's name Mrs. Manisha Sati. DOB this. Address this. Profession none. Hobby to code and mobile number this. Okay. So we have filled these information and here again printed this by coding this. Okay. So you can now understand it how to code, and you can take this title asking for introduction, so it will easily to it will easy to understand you. You can take copy this code in your laptop or on your desktop, and you can make your own by your own concept or content. Okay, so in this video, this much only. After this video, you have watched all the basic concepts for this program. Now, where it is asking, why it is asking? Yeah, asking. Sorry. Now we have covered all the topics, all the basic topics for asking for introduction. Means if you want to ask an introduction and you have to make program on it on Python, not another language. I don't know about other language. I'm taking about Python. So you can take these types of codes. Yeah, so you can type these, or you have to take any other code you want to take, any other code. So you can take, absolutely you can take, you can make your own content with this. Okay, so in this video, this much only. In today's video, this much only. And I will meet you tomorrow or in the next video. Tab tak ke liye goodbye. Like, share, subscribe the video, please, and subscribe my channel Crazy Studio 223, where you can find all the type of video, all content you have found here. You can watch gaming, comedy, and about techniques, teachings, and this Python code also. Starting with the new programming languages. In the next video, I will be back with a Python, and hence goodbye.